So this is the bobbin case. This is the bobbin case. This is the main bobbin. Okay. You're gonna put it here. So this is how to fix it. There's already thread inside. So I'm gonna show you how to thread it here using your bobbin winder spindle. I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay. So this is the thread. When you want to fix it in your bobbin, this way, you put it here. Okay. You pass it through this hole here. Take it this way. Move down. To know if it has actually clicked well, you move the thread. You can see it's moving. That shows it has clicked well. Then you take it in here. Okay, there's a hole here. You place this on it. Make sure this is facing up. Put it on it. Okay, it will click. As you can see, it has clicked. You cover it. We'll take this back, put it back. Okay, face it back here. So I'm bringing back the bobbin case. The bobbin, I'm gonna use it, or better still, we use the fresh one. I'm gonna get the thread. Okay. So before then, I want to plug it so you can see what I'm doing. So this is it. This is the motto. I'll go ahead to loosen it. This is the plug. Okay. I'll plug it directly to this place. Okay. Then this is another socket here. I'll on it here. See, I'm gonna fix it here this way. Okay, this is the on and off button. Right now, so that is the on and off button. Okay. If it's on, the light is gonna turn on. If I turn it off, the light will go off. Okay, see, the light is on. That shows it's on right now. So this is the presser foot, the motto. Okay, this is gonna be on you use your feet on it. You put your feet on it like this. You press it, it start working. Okay, press it start working. So now teach you on how to do that. So this is the bobbin needle. Okay, so sorry, this is the spool pin. The spool thread is going to go in this way. Okay, so we want to, as you can see the way I'm putting it, I want to wind this bobbin So as you can see, it goes this way. Okay, there is a hole here. You can see the direction that is going this way. So if you want to lock it, take it this way. If you want to open it, take it this way. So you lock it. Okay, the moment you lock it, that means you have secured it. You can go ahead to cut the thread, the excess thread. So when you start, you press it by itself. As you can see, it should be going on its own until it's full. That is how to do it. So we can, this is how to wind your bobbin. Okay, so let's go ahead to unlock it. If it's full, automatically this is going to stop it. It will stop it as soon as it's full. As soon as it's full, it will stop it. I want to see when it's full. It's meant to be stable. Don't know why. Okay. Just take this slowly so that it don't fly off. If it's full, it will automatically stop. As you can see, if it is full, it will stop. It has stopped. It will stop moving. It will not stop it. So that's the work of this anyway. The work of this bobbin stopper. Okay, the bobbin winder stopper. So this is the work. As soon as the bobbin is full, it will stop. So now for me to take it off, I'll have to shift it like this, then take it out. Okay, so I'll go ahead to cut the thread. As you can see, it's full. So the next thing I'm gonna do, now I want to thread. I want to sew. Okay, you see, look at the way I'm going. See, check it, this place. Okay, this is a thread guide too. Can you see what I'm doing? Take it to this line, this hole, take it down, let it pass through. Let me show you again. Take it to this hole. It's going to pass through here, bring it up. So we're going to use this to bring up the take up lever. You see it is up already. Take it this way, pass it. Okay, drag it down. As soon as you drag it down, okay, you pass it straight to the thread, to the needle. Showing you so you can see what I'm doing. I can see there's another thread guide here in case you want to use it. There's a little thread guide here. You can pass it through the thread guide. Okay. So pass it through this thread guide. Okay. Then pass it through the needle. From the front. Okay. Okay, let me just bring it down so I can see the needle very well. So when you pass it, so I've passed it through the needle. Okay, so pass it through this way. You take it this way. Okay, this is the feed dog. Okay, that's where the needle passed through. This is the needle plate. So once I'm done with that, I'll use this wheel to bring up the bobbin thread, to bring it up. Okay, bring it up and you take it back this way. So once you are done with that, let's go ahead to fit in this back. Okay, so we're going to thread how so we can go ahead to sew whatsoever we want to sew right now. Okay, once you sew your straights, as soon as you put in fits it in here. Okay, clip it down. So this is your selector here. Whichever one sewing you want to use, this to select it. This is your stitch back. Okay, you want to stitch for your stitching. So here you select whichever one you want, type of switch you want here. So let's use this. So as soon as I'm done with this, I'll just press this. You have to be careful so it won't fly off. To just be moving. You can see to just be moving. Okay, to just be moving. See, it will be moving on its own. sewing. So that's all for your sewing. If you want zigzag sewing, you switch it to what you want. Okay. So that's all. Thank you for watching. As you can see, here's a zigzag stitch, this is a straight stitch, whatever you want. This machine is so lovely, very easy to learn. Okay, and the good thing about it is you can use different presser foot for it, whichever one you want to use. It's so lovely. Thank you for watching. It's still your girl, Stella JB Fashion.